Hello, this is Adam Goon, wanting to talk to you today about snow clearing and snow plowing. I am an individual in Toronto that uses a power wheelchair. Now, luckily, I live on Bloor Street, so my sidewalks are usually pretty clear and pretty clean, and are usually fairly passable soon after a bigger snowfall. Like the snowfall we're looking at here, which is around 20 centimeters. I'd say it's closer to maybe 16, 17, or 18 centimeters, or 9 inches. Now, the main problem I usually have is curb cuts, or sometimes when the snow sidewalks aren't totally clear, the snow melts and freezes and creates a washboard effect. At least on this journey, the sidewalks are looking pretty clear till I get to my little corner of Bloor and Spadina, which is always a rough one. And as you can see, in order to even cross the street to get to my goal of the grocery store, I needed this kind lady to help sort of clean out the snow from around my chair and stuff. And as you can see, there's already salt and stuff, and the snow is pretty dirty. Now, the bag I put on to protect my chair had blown up, and the camera did get knocked here. But the main thing I did need to tell you is the salt and sand mixture that they use on the sidewalks can get into the tires and get into the wire and cause problems, especially for people that have the wheels that have more smaller wheels that have bearings. The salt and sand can cause real problems. Here we will see that there is a proper clearing of the snow for a curb cut, for letting Wheel-Trans and other things access this spot, which is great, and it's good to actually clean these spots out before the snow comes more and more and creates a big bank, which is harder to shovel when it slowly turns into ice. Now here we are at a side street, which the clearing is questionable, but at least these ones seem to be actively done by people, and there's always been talk that they actually want to cancel clearing of these side streets, which I say is a real problem. But there is one problem with the way they end up doing these corners, is that the curbs, the area where they shovel does not line up with the curb cut, which means that I do have problems getting up and down and could possibly tip because the curb cuts aren't shoveled properly. In the last clip you just saw, you did see an individual that was basically helping shovel, and again he was a great help and stuff, and I always commend the people that actually do the shoveling. It's a great help for all of us. So I do want to thank you for watching my little video, and I commend you for taking